Here is the second of 4 brown Emerson Designers. This one is identical to the last one, except for the blades are a bit darker on this one, as the blades on the first one, you might remember, were a bit bleached, presumably by the sun, but this one the blades are not. I got 4 of these off of Marketplace a little while ago from a contractor who had removed them all from a storefront. And the majority of this fan is plastic. Blade badges, motor housing, switch cap, and canopy are all plastic, which is why this fan is sometimes referred to as the Emerson Plastic Designer, Emerson Plastic Designer, or Emerson Designer Plastic, something of that effect. So now we'll go ahead and demonstrate this fan, starting with low. And you'll immediately notice that the bearings in this one are much better than the first one, as they make next to no noise. And the fan spins a lot faster overall. Now, if only the damn camera would focus. Alright, we'll take it up to medium. There is a bit of a vibration noise from the blades, I believe. But again, otherwise the fan is nice and quiet, and it is blowing a lot of air. Again, these fans move very fast and have a relatively steep blade pitch, so they're very good air movers. And now we'll take it to high. And you can probably hear some of that blade vibration noise. I tightened the screws as much as I could without, making them overly tight, but it's still a little present. But it's not that big of a deal, I suppose. And this one is very fast, unlike the first one. There you have it. The second of 4 brown Emerson plastic designers.